Hello, I will show a speaking project by Jose David Chavez Mas, a student of electronic engineering. Um, First question, what do I do to help my brain work better? And I brain work better when I play video games of memory or strategy like puzzle or chess because stimulate my throat. Also, when I don't know override myself, work and manage my team well. Also, if I don't exercise, I will not be able to stress and the brain will not work in the best way. Also, when I can new things like songs, sports. Also, when also fact when I don't get angry all the time. Second question, facts about my brain and body. If I eat a balanced diet, my my brain will have more energy. Also, if I practice some sport, my memory and ability will be better. Um, because my brain is work. Uh, there's tier fats, tier four fats. Um, when I take the necessary vitamin for my body, because the body need vitamins to the correct function. Also, when I am not central all the time, um, um, and for n, if for n sentences is if I take activity break, I will be able to rest my brain because my brain uh, tires. Uh, Goodbye. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you.